Did you know India ranks number 1 in the world by number of organic producers? And we are exporting to 25 plus countries like the USA, Europe, Japan, and Australia. Namaste. I am Sharad Nanapure, and today I will talk you through the world of organic products in India. APEDA's NPOP 16 and how you can start exporting the certified organic products globally. Stay till the end. I will share a free starter kit to help you register and export the organic products from India. Question of the day: what organic product do you want to export? Drop it in the comment. Organic products are grown without chemical fertilizers, pesticides, hormones, or GMOs. Instead, they use natural composts, eco friendly pest control, crop rotation, and soil regeneration. This method preserves the soil health, supports biodiversity, and produces the nutrient rich, disease resistant food. Organic farming in India isn't new. Let's look at India's global standing. India ranks number 2 globally in terms of organic agricultural land and number 1 by number of organic producers in the world. This shows India's capacity to become the global organic hub. Rising demand in the USA, Europe, Japan, and UAE. The time to go organic is now. Type go organic if you believe organic is the future. To regulate and promote organic exports, the Government of India under the Ministry of Commerce launched National Program for Organic Production, that is NPOP, implemented by APEDA, that is Agriculture and Processed Food Export Development Authority. NPOP provides organic product standards, that is NSOP, accreditation for certification bodies, rules for using the India organic logo, and procedures for certification and export compliance. Recognized by the Europe and Switzerland, and negotiations are ongoing with Australia, Korea, Taiwan, Canada, and Japan. This means our India certified organic product is automatically accepted in these countries as well. India produced around 3.6 million metric ton of certified organic products in financial year 2024. Key product categories are oilseeds, sugarcane, cereals, millets, fruits, vegetables, pulses, spices, cotton fiber, herbal plants, tea, coffee. Tea production also includes processed food and functional health products as well. Area under organic cultivation is around 7.3 million hectares. 4.5 million hectare is a farm area and 2.8 million hectare is wild harvest area. So if you will see the top organic states, Maharashtra is the highest producer. Madhya Pradesh have the largest area, and the other states like Rajasthan, Karnataka, Gujarat, Odisha, and Sikkim, they are also producing the organic produce. Which state are you from? Comment your state below. India exported 2.6 lakh metric ton of organic food in financial year 2024, worth 494 million US dollar. Top export markets for India are USA, European Union, Canada, Great Britain, Switzerland, Japan, South Korea, Thailand, New Zealand. Products exported under organic category are rice, pulses, herbs, spices, processed food, tea, coffee, and oilseeds. Want the list of top buyers by country? Type export list in the comment. Let's simplify the certification and the accreditation process. So under accreditation, APEDA gives accreditation to the certification bodies like EcoCert, Control Union, etc. These bodies verify that farms and processors meet the NPOP standards. Certification: once verified, the exporter receives a scope certificate confirming the organic status, and then we can use the India organic logo. Certified exporters can use the India organic logo, a trusted mark globally. This ensures the organic traceability, quality assurance, and global trust. Type certify me if you want help with organic certification. APEDA supports exporters through financial assistance under FAS for getting the certification costs, packaging and labeling, infrastructure like for pack houses and the cold storages, participation in the trade fairs, digital traceability tools. Even APEDA promotes the global trade via events like Biofetch, traceability via platforms like TraceNet and Hortinet, direct support to the farmers and FPOs through the Farmer Connect portal. This ecosystem empowers even the small farmers to reach international buyers with premium pricing. Want to join APEDA's exporter list? Comment join APEDA. So let's wrap up now. Organic farming, that means clean, sustainable, and profitable. India is already a global leader by producer count. APEDA and NPOP provide a clear certification and export pathway. India Organic logo, it is the trust in global markets. So want my free organic export starter kit? It includes APEDA registration guide, NPOP certification checklist, list of accredited certification bodies, and export SOPs for organic trade. Comment organic below, like this video, subscribe for weekly training on agriculture and food export, and share with your FPO, startup, or agri export network. Let's make India the number one exporter of organic products globally. Jai Hind, Jai Kisan.